Okay, Dreamy,
I'm here.
start cleaning.
Okay, start cleaning.
Hey guys, welcome back to HelloVSTV. Today we are reviewing one of our team's most favorite product. Let me be honest with you. My team has tested a lot of robot vacuum cleaners and most of them look good on paper, but in real life they get stuck, they miss spots and they give some errors. And honestly, they create more headache than help. But today we are looking the very best one in the market. This is the Dreame X60 Ultra and I'm going to say this right away. This is probably the first robot vacuum we have tested that actually works the way it should. This thing is packed with an advanced AI system with dual cameras and smart navigation that can recognize over 280 types of objects. So instead of bumping into things or getting stuck like most robots, it actually understands the environment. Cables avoids them. Shoes goes around them. Tight spaces adjusts in real time. And the best part, it does not stop, does not freeze, does not throw random errors. It just keeps cleaning. This product provides up to 3500 PA suction power that's strong enough to handle pet hair, carpets, fine dust, and even heavier debris. And thanks to the dual brush system, hair does not get tangled like on the most robots. So again, less maintenance, less headache. Most robot vacuums mop, they just drag a wet cloth. This one is different. You have got dual rotating mops at 230 RPM, real downward pressure and hot water cleaning, so it actually scrubs the floor, not just wipes it. And even better, it intelligently switches between vacuum and mop depending on the surface. No manual adjustment needed. Another big advantage is the design. This is one of the tiniest robot vacuums at just 7.95 cm, which means it can go under beds, sofas, cabinets, places where most robots simply can't reach. And with its extending arms, it even cleans corners and edges properly. The docking station handles almost everything. Auto empty up to 100 days. Mop washing with hot water up to 100 Celsius degree. Auto drying, auto refilling, so you are not consistently cleaning your cleaner. It just works.
Start cleaning mop pad.
So overall, I highly recommend this product for every person to make their life easier. Trust my honest words about this product. This is all about this review. I hope it was very helpful. And at the end, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And I will see you in the next one.